तपाईं प्राय कुन समय खाजा खान गर्नुहुन्छ?
What time do you usually have lunch? What time do you usually have lunch?
म प्राय 12 तिर खाना खान्छु।
I usually have lunch around 12. I usually have lunch around 12.
तपाईं प्राय कति सुत्नुहुन्छ?
What time do you usually go to sleep? What time do you usually go to sleep?
म मध्यरात पछि सुत्न जान्छु।
I go to sleep after midnight. I go to sleep after midnight.
तपाईं प्राय कुन समय उठ्नुहुन्छ?
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
म प्राय 10 बजेतिर उठ्छु।
I usually wake up around 10 a.m. I usually wake up around 10 a.m.
तपाईं हप्तामा कति पटक पौडी खेल्नुहुन्छ?
How many times a week do you go swimming? How many times a week do you go swimming?
म हप्तामा एक पटक पौडी खेल्छु।
I go swimming once a week. I go swimming once a week.
के तपाईं हप्ताको हरेक दिन दौडमा जानुहुन्छ?
Do you go running every day of the week? Do you go running every day of the week?
म सामान्यतया सोमबारदेखि शुक्रबारसम्म चलाउँछु।
I usually run from Monday to Friday. I usually run from Monday to Friday.
तपाईं अर्को आइतबार मेरो जन्मदिनको पार्टीमा जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ?
Are you going to my birthday party next Sunday? Are you going to my birthday party next Sunday?
माफ गर्नुहोस् तर म आफ्नो परिवारको साथ मन्दिर जानुपर्छ।
Sorry, but I have to go to temple with my family. Sorry, but I have to go to temple with my family.
हप्तामा कति पटक तपाईं दौडिनुहुन्छ?
How many times a week do you go running? How many times a week do you go running?
म हप्तामा 3 पटक दौडिन जान्छु।
I go for running 3 times a week. I go for running 3 times a week.
तपाईं राति कति पटक चलचित्र हेर्नुहुन्छ?
How often do you watch a movie at night? How often do you watch a movie at night?
म हरेक रात चलचित्र हेर्छु।
I watch movie every night. I watch movie every night.
ऊ को हो?
Who is he? Who is he?
उहाँ मेरो टाढाका आफन्त हुनुहुन्छ।
He is my distant relative. He is my distant relative.
तिमीलाई कस्तो लाग्दैछ?
How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
मलाई निन्द्रा लाग्यो।
I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy.
तपाईं कुन चलचित्र हेर्न चाहनुहुन्छ?
Which movie would you like to watch? Which movie would you like to watch?
म एक एक्सन चलचित्र हेर्न चाहन्छु।
I would like to see an action movie. I would like to see an action movie.
तपाईलाई कुन गीत सबैभन्दा मन पर्छ?
Which song do you like the most? Which song do you like the most?
मलाई रोमान्टिक गीत मन पर्दछ।
I like romantic song. I like romantic song.
कसले काम पूरा गर्यो?
Who completed the work? Who completed the work?
मेरो भाइ काम पूरा गरिसक्यो।
My brother has completed the work. My brother has completed the work.
राहुलले कहिले अध्ययन गर्छन्?
When does Rahul study? When does Rahul study?
राहुल विज्ञान पढ्छन्।
Rahul studies science. Rahul studies science.
तपाईले कहिले सीता देख्नुभयो?
When did you see Sita? When did you see Sita?
मैले आज बिहान सीता देखे।
I saw Sita this morning. I saw Sita this morning.
मैले यसको साथ के गर्नुपर्छ?
What should I do with it? What should I do with it?
यसलाई आफैमा राख्नुहोस्।
Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself.
तिम्रो भाइले कहाँ काम गर्छ?
Where does your brother work? Where does your brother work?
मेरो भाइ एक होटलमा काम गर्दछ।
My brother works in a hotel. My brother works in a hotel.
के तपाईँ मसँग रिसाउनु भएको छ?
Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me?
होइन, म तपाईसँग रिसाएको छैन।
No, I am not angry with you. No, I am not angry with you.
तपाईँ उसलाई कस्तो महसुस गर्नुहुन्छ?
How do you feel about him? How do you feel about him?
मलाई उसको थप्पड लाग्यो जस्तो लाग्छ।
I feel like slapping him. I feel like slapping him.
तपाईँ कहिलेसम्म अध्ययन गर्नुहुन्छ?
How long do you study? How long do you study?
म 1 घण्टा अध्ययन गर्छु।
I study for an hour. I study for an hour.
के तपाईँ जान चाहनुहुन्छ?
Do you want to go? Do you want to go?
म जान चाहन्छु तर म सक्दिन।
I want to go but I can't. I want to go but I can't.
गर्मी मौसम कस्तो छ?
How is the summer season? How is the summer season?
यो दिनदिनै तातो हुँदै गइरहेको छ।
It's getting hotter day by day. It's getting hotter day by day.
म ढिला भएँ।
Am I late? Am I late?
तपाई भर्खरको समयमा हुनुहुन्छ।
You are just in time. You are just in time.
मलाई भन म के गरौँ।
Tell me, what should I do? Tell me, what should I do?
तपाईले केही गर्नु पर्दैन।
You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything.
उहाँ कहाँबाट आउनुभयो?
Where did he come from? Where did he come from?
ऊ भर्खरै दिल्लीबाट आएका हुन्।
He has just come from Delhi. He has just come from Delhi.
किन पसल अझै खुलेको छैन?
Why isn't the shop open yet? Why isn't the shop open yet?
किनभने हामी धेरै प्रारम्भिक छौँ।
Because we are too early. Because we are too early.
तिमीले मलाई किन बोलाएनौ?
Why didn't you call me? Why didn't you call me?
मलाई लाग्यो कि तपाई आफ्नो काममा व्यस्त हुनुपर्छ।
I thought you must be busy in your work. I thought you must be busy in your work.
यदि ऊ काममा ढिला भयो भने के हुन्छ?
What if he is late for work? What if he is late for work?
ऊ ढिलो गर्ने छैन किनकि एकदम पाउँदछ।
He won't be late because is quite punctual. He won't be late because is quite punctual.
तिमीले मेरो चिठी पायो?
Did you get my letter? Did you get my letter?
हो, मैले तपाईको चिठी पाएँ तर म पढ्न सक्दिनँ।
Yes, I got your letter but I couldn't read. Yes, I got your letter but I couldn't read.
ऊ त्यहाँ किन थिएन?
Why he was not there? Why he was not there?
जब तपाई आउनुभयो उहाँ जानु भएको थियो।
When you came, he had left. When you came, he had left.
किन उहाँ आज उपस्थित हुनुहुन्न?
Why is he not present today? Why is he not present today?
आज बुधबार हो, उहाँ आइतबार आउनुहुनेछ।
It's Wednesday today, he'll come on Sunday. It's Wednesday today, he'll come on Sunday.
तिम्रो बाबाको नाम के हो?
What is your father's name? What is your father's name?
मेरो बुबाको नाम राहुल प्रसाद हो।
My father's name is Rahul Prasad. My father's name is Rahul Prasad.
के भयो?
What happened? What happened?
शत्रुले हामीलाई आक्रमण गर्यो।
The enemy attacked us. The enemy attacked us.
उसलाई के भयो?
What happened to him? What happened to him?
ऊ दुर्घटनामा पर्यो।
He met with an accident. He met with an accident.
तिमीले के किन्यौ?
What did you buy? What did you buy?
मैले एउटा सर्ट खरिद गरेँ।
I bought a shirt. I bought a shirt.
तपाईँ के गर्न खोज्दै हुनुहुन्छ?
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do?
म बक्स खोल्न कोसिस गर्दै थिएँ।
I was trying to open the box. I was trying to open the box.
तपाईले गत आइतबार के गर्नुभयो?
What did you do last Sunday? What did you do last Sunday?
म मेरो भाइसँग बाहिर गएँ।
I went out with my brother. I went out with my brother.
तिमीलाई त्यो केटामा के मन पर्छ?
What do you like about that guy? What do you like about that guy?
मलाई त्यो केटाको इमानदारी मन पर्छ।
I like the honesty of that guy. I like the honesty of that guy.
ममा तपाईलाई के मन पर्छ?
What do you like in me? What do you like in me?
मलाई तपाईको सबै कुरा मन पर्दछ।
I like everything about you. I like everything about you.
तपाईको मनपर्ने खेल के हो?
What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport?
मेरो मनपर्ने खेल क्रिकेट हो।
My favorite sport is cricket. My favorite sport is cricket.
तपाईको गुणस्तर के हो?
What is your quality? What is your quality?
म धेरै मेहनती हुँ।
I am very hardworking. I am very hardworking.
मैले तिमीलाई के दिनु पर्छ?
What should I give you? What should I give you?
मलाई तिमीसँग जे छ त्यो दिनुहोस्।
Give me whatever you have. Give me whatever you have.
तिमी कहाँ छौ?
Where are you? Where are you?
म मेरो भाइको ठाउँमा छु।
I am at my brother's place. I am at my brother's place.